Okay, so here are two of the boxes for the ProPride 3P hitch. Yeah, we broke down, went ahead and ordered this. I think it's going to be a great hitch for our truck and trailer or SUV and trailer, just to help eliminate that sway. I can't wait to talk about that a little bit later on, but here, let me open them up. I'll show you what it looks like. There's a lot of great installation videos that are out there. Matter of fact, here, I'll throw a link up in the corner of one that I found very helpful, and I'll show you after that. Okay, so here you go, inside the box. So here's they are packaged very well from what I can see. This piece was really on the box. Everything looks, so far, like I said, all I've done is open the box. The other one over here looks like it's got the bars, weight distribution bars, instruction manual. Like I said, this is it. First piece I took out, instruction manual, which is a pretty good thing. So anyway, everything looks like it's for the first two packages here. Looks like it is in good shape. All right, there. That's what it looks like inside the box for these two boxes. Two more are scheduled to come tomorrow. All right, day number 2. The next two boxes of the ProPride 3P hitch have shown up. And man, these guys know how to do some packing. I just ripped this box apart, trying to get that out. But man, it is in there. I'd love to see how they actually do their packing. It's pretty cool. It almost looks like just it's been foam injected somehow, is what it looks like, some expansion foam. But anyway, very well packed. So I know not a lot of other folks, they do a lot of installation videos. Like I said, I'll put some links, which one of them I think was probably earlier. I found another good one. I'll put it here, up here, and then you can take a look. So yeah, these guys know what they're doing so far. So box number 1, got it open here, and it does. I'm like, this is expansion foam. I know it is. Anyway, it's pretty cool how they do package this up. So we'll get it the rest of the way out. But anyway, hitch portion. And then this one here will be the actual, the part that goes onto the ball, or the other portion, whatever the hell it's called. Anyway, I'll show it to you here in a second. Holy cow. Whew. I say it again. Dang, these guys package the crap out of this stuff. So, wow. Way to go, ProPride. Anyway, like I said, box number 1, hardware, the hitch, and I guess the hitch receiver, or what is this thing called? The box hitch. Anyway, that's what was in the other box here, which I figured that based on the size and the weight of the package. So, but cool. So far so good. So I'll get it installed, and then we'll show you. I'll do some more, take it for a spin, that kind of thing. Once we actually go camping, we're talking about going camping here in a couple weeks. I think I mentioned that. So we'll show you some more later. Okay, so here is the hitch. I have it all connected now. Had to do a few modifications. I'll show you a couple of those things here in just a little bit, but nothing real crazy. It was really up underneath the gas tank. Just had to use a few washers to raise that up, just so that these bolts that you see right here, those bolts would fit. But here, I'll see if I can't show you here backing up to it, and we'll go from there. A little bit hard to see. Just a hair, but not even a big deal. Pause there just for a second. Gotta raise a couple things. Okay, so let me be straight with you. The ProPride hitch is fantastic. I am 100% believer after taking this first trip that we just went on. A little camping trip here. It was about 70 miles away from the house. 2-lane road, passing tractor trailers left and right. And I know, you know, I watch this channel, Keep Your Daydream. If you've never seen it, man, you need to check it out. Mark and Trish, they've got a fantastic channel, and they're boys, girls, fantastic. So you'll learn a lot from them. And I learned a little bit from them with regards to this one, because they had purchased the Hensley hitch, and it got me to looking into it a little bit more. He was talking about the trailer sway that you may feel, you know, when you pass when you're getting passed by like a tractor trailer, and it kind of sucks you in a little bit, you know, blows you out and then sucks you back in. All that after we had done the research, you know, talking about the ProPride, there was some new items that they had put into the hitch as they've tweaked it over the years here, and I can't say enough about it. That on this trip here, I mean, we had none of that, and it was, oh my God, the driving was so much better. So that I do have to say, thank you very much. You guys did a wonderful job. Whoever, you know, I know, what was it, Jim Hensley or something like that? He's the one that designed the original Hensley hitch, and then it got, you know, changed around here with ProPride. But ProPride to me is the way to go. So thank you guys very much. You did a fantastic job. I am a believer, 100%. But to the rest of you, let me show you a couple things that I did here. I know I mentioned it earlier in the video, and let me show you what I had to do to get it right. All right, you know, the propane tanks were in the way, so I had to just add some washers. I think I've got 5 or 6 on each where it connected to the trailer. It raised it enough so that bolt could fit just fine. The other one was the brake, the emergency brake. I did the same thing. I put a couple washers back behind there, so it brought it out away from the bolt. Still kept it in the same position, didn't have to re-screw it or anything like that. So really, that, as far as the trailer when making the connections, that's the only modification that I had to do. I know on these back, you know, on the back weight distribution jacks back here, there is a bar down at the bottom, so I had to get as close to the I think it was that 27 and a half inch mark from center of the ball. Other than that, that's it. Everything else went on as instructed without a problem. Here on the hitch, you know, connected to the vehicle, originally this was supposed to have a separation, so from like top of hitch to here of about 4 inches is where ours was coming out at when the trailer was level with the ground. And so putting it on there, I couldn't get the weight distribution actually to work out right. Adding the additional washers in the back, as I talked about, so I've got 3 in here now. So it took a few trial and errors. I did it with 2, then did it with 3, 4, just like the book said. And finally, I just had to raise it back up a little bit, because I think the Expedition here squats a little bit more. And so I just raised it up, kept a 3rd washer in it, so you'll notice that this is tilted down just a little bit. When I did that, everything seemed to work out just fine, to where everything connects and levels out like the camper road rail level. Oh, I did change this up. Originally start with this in the 2nd hole. I did move it back down just to give me a little bit more travel on the weight distribution bars, so I can get everything transferred over to the front of the vehicle. But other than that, that was it. But I'm telling you, from what I just talked about, the the way this thing works is fantastic. I am a believer. I know it costs a lot of money, but the sense of safety and the way this thing handles, it's worth it, and I'll pay it again to keep me and my family safe. So I would definitely recommend looking into ProPride if you have a larger trailer that is susceptible to sway, because yes, I am a believer. So all right guys, take care, be safe out there, and thanks for watching. All right, see you next time.